Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Wednesday, the 20th of December. This is our nightly recap. Again, putting it out there for free for everybody this week. If you want to join us, you can join us at Live Trading Alerts for $150 a month for our trading room. We'd love to have you. Or you can come over and $99 right now for the special for the Market Outperform report that'll be available on by January 1st. Or you can get 3 months of the room and the Outperform report for $300. So love to have you guys join us, and you'll get commentary and live trades and everything going on all day long. So let's talk about what's happened here today. And we have our first little doink candle. And we were up, up, and up. Yes, overnight we were weak. As soon as we opened, we ramped up. We put a new 52-week high of 475.90 on the SPY, which is just about $4 shy of the all-time high, and we rolled here. There's no news on this. I don't, nobody's out there. There was no news on this. We talked about in the room to be aware of today of malicious little sell programs on a very low volume environment. And coming into this area here, volume was pathetic. We were trading at like 20 million shares, nothing going on. So it was very easy for this sell program to kick in, run, and to drop us down here pretty damn good. And you can see we come down, we're just above the 8-day volume, which would have been nothing. We're now up to 70 million shares. And to me, this feels like some fun here is just selling and getting out ready for next year. And this will actually help for the Santa rally. Remember, the Santa rally doesn't actually start until next week. So we're not actually into the Santa rally yet. And, nothing really horrible yet. Again, we hold the 8-day, everything is copacetic and fabulous. If you hit the 21-day and hold, that's still good. You wouldn't want to lose that at this point. If we start losing that over the next couple of days, that could be a sign that the market's run out of gas for now. We are overdue for a pullback. The market could use a pullback here and to refresh these setups. So, a 3 to 5% pullback here would not be the end of the world, bringing us back down into this 454 area, and no harm or it would really be done to the markets. So let's talk about what's going on here. And again, the SPY has gotten to within a couple bucks of all-time high. The Dow already put an all-time high in, a new one today. The Q's put a new all-time high in today as well. The IWM remains the wicked stepchild of the family. Okay, still trying to find its footing here, but up a little bit. Financials needed a breather. Hello. Gosh, it's slow right now. Financials needed a breather. They finally got a little bit of one here today. Energy still cannot find a friend. Right, no matter what, just can't go in. We saw on crude today, big builds all over the place. Crude still weak. Bonds remain strong. This is good for the market, so not seeing a lot to worry about here. TOS is really slow, but bonds are breaking out to the upside. Rates are coming down. This is a good thing for the market. For today, so today was one of those days where, everything looked good. Microsoft tried to break to the upside and came back in again. It's really been struggling to break and hold this 374 level. Tesla also tried to push back above this high of this week, briefly did, got rejected just shy of just right at that 260 area, and a big ugly engulfing candle there and engulfed the previous 3 days action. Apple also broke out here trying to break back to the upside. You have an engulfing candle there on that one as well. Meta's actually held in better, believe it or not. Google had a huge day. Big move on Google today. Gap and go, but giving a lot of it back here. It's kind of the nature of the market we're currently in here. I traded Coin early, made some nice money with Coin that was trying to break out. Apple didn't do too well. Caught Nvidia for a nice trade today as it pushed up. Couldn't break 500. Just so everybody knows, I'm down to a third of my size left on that one, and I own that down around the 465 area. So we'll see what it does. I may add it back if we keep coming in, but sold 2/3 of it already up into this area. AMD got absolutely shellacked today, down into the 8-day. Not so pretty there. I am no longer an ARM. I sold the last of it today up into 72.77 area. So, just cleaning house here and getting ready for next year. Amazon put a new range high in today, couldn't hold it. And you just kind of see what's going on here. So, this is something certainly to pay attention to because we haven't had a day like this in a long time. But, maybe we get a little weakness for the last two trading days of the year. We have GDP tomorrow at 8:30. We have PCE on Friday, and then we'll see where we go. And typically we melt up the last week of the year. So with that said, I wish you all the best. If you want to join us, link in the description below. For you guys here with me, I'm going to be staying late tonight for Micron, which earnings are right on the close. Good night, everybody.